Hi, I'm Paige Deers. I'm here at the MBA conference in Atlanta, bringing you insights from lenders. And I am here with David Auerbach from Archetype Mortgage Capital. And we're talking about CMBS origination. There was a lot of talk at this show last year, very bold talk about numbers as high as 50, 70 billion we might see for 2011. Really only came in between 30 to 40. We're looking at what CMBS will do this year, David. And as an originator, what can we expect from shops like yours?
Absolutely. Archetype's goal for 2012 is roughly 1.25 billion. We think that's very achievable, but what's really going to dictate if we can get there is going to be a couple different things. Obviously, spread stabilization. We need to keep the sponsors that are borrowing our funds confident in our execution, and we need to be able to have some conviction with them and let them trust our spreads. Secondly, is going to be acquisition volume. I think we all know that the refi maturities are coming out of vintage CMBS deals, but we need the investment community to start acquiring more assets, and we need to see a pickup in transaction volume, and that's what, in my opinion, will really dictate staying above or below Archetype's goal of $1.25 billion, and then I think the whole industry's goal, which is probably to exceed the 30+ billion that was securitized in 2011.